Yeah, you already know who it is. Hello, boys. I've been in HC out for so long, now I'm back home. You already know. Yeah, I'm about to get it in, man. You ready? Okay. No hook.
If I start fast, I might end slow. And when she start off, she like to bend low. August slick touch like Money Mike. My flow's mean and my money nice. The best thing for you to do is to do you. Niggas complain about what they don't got. Nigga boo hoo, who the fuck are you? I'm looking at the world from a different view. And if you split up, you get split in two. And if you draw a clear sky, then the picture's blue. I smoke with a clear mind, yes, I think it's through. I'm Mr. Cool, I fuck it, I'm Mr. Right. I'm the type of nigga all these bitches like. What you think is heavy, I think it's light. You move slow, I jet through life. And if you got no respect, get a stripper. And if you feel too high up, nigga, check your heights.
Yeah. Told you I ain't going nowhere. I'm out here. Verse 2. Let's go.
I'm hungry for this currency. What these bitches want from me. These streets got me fucked up. Look what they done to me. The streets got me fucked up. Look what they done to me. We fucked up. Yeah, we never had shit. Lost in the madness. Always on some bad shit. Gray sky, empty bottle, overflow casket. Alleyways dark with fiends. Overdose on mattress. The streets holding my ears on a dial tone. They probably hating cause my style's grown. They probably come for me if I was home. Daytime grinding, can't sleep cause my night's long. 6-figure chump, if my face was on money, it'd probably be $1 million. I see you fuck boys still wasting time, still on the same silly shit. You fucking niggas still on the fake shit. And take a second to reflect and accept me for the greatness. Better check your attitude, I'm on different altitude. My words filled up my latitude.
That's right. I told you I ain't going nowhere. Haitian, Boston, /ATL nigga. You ready now? Shout out to Be Fresh. That's the nigga I recording my shit. You ready know? Yeah, out here for LOL boys. We out here. Fucking niggas.